And today we are going to look at integers and floats. Integers are the whole numbers. For example, I can print 14. We can also do calculations. Print 14 plus 3, or I can print 14 double star 3. This means 14 to the power of 3. We can also do division. Print 14 divided by 3. If we do this, we will get a decimal number. And in Python, we call decimal numbers floats. Now, if I don't want to get this decimal number, I can do print 14 double slash 3. This will only give me the whole number portion. Or if I'm interested in the remainder, I can do 14 mod 3. So this percentage sign actually means 14 divided by 3. I will take the remainder as the result. So we'll get number 2. What can we do with float numbers? I can round it up. For example, this number. Okay, I'll put round, bracket this number. It will give me number 5. Or I can decide how many decimal digits I want. So copy this over. Inside the bracket, I'll put a number 3. I want to round this number and I want 3 decimal digits. So you can see I will get 4.667.